Okay, good morning my dear students. So today we are going to learn our new chapter, that is our healthy mind and body. Okay dear students, do you know God has gifted us such a beautiful body and mind? Yes, of course, and we should be grateful for that, right? So, but still, only being grateful for that is not good enough. We must take care of it by adopting a healthy lifestyle, healthy behavior, and a good posture. Okay. So, today we are going to learn a healthy mind and a body. Okay. Okay. So. In order to adopt a healthy mind and a body, we should always follow a good life and healthy lifestyle. Okay, healthy lifestyle. I mean to say, a healthy lifestyle includes a healthy food habits, good behavior, good posture. Okay, so today we are going to learn of our healthy mind and body. The topics are in this. We will include healthy habit, good posture, and a good behavior. Okay. So, my dear students, whenever we are talking about a healthy habit, what do we mean to say healthy habit? It includes a healthy lifestyle, right? Very healthy lifestyle. A healthy food habits also. Okay, so my dear children, can you tell me what are the healthy habits that we need to follow in order to keep our mind and body healthy? Okay. So, first is healthy habits. Okay, what are the healthy habits? Can you tell me some? Okay, number one, that is wake up early morning. Okay, so our first healthy habit should be our lifestyle, that is to wake up early in the morning. So we say no, एक कहावत है ना, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So we should always wake early morning, because morning is the only the time that we can keep our body and mind very healthy. Okay. Okay, my dear students, whenever we are talking about healthy mind, that is our mental health. Okay, mental health is given one of the most important part in our life. Mental health, we talk about mental health. Okay, we will discuss later on also this thing. It is a very important part. How do we keep our mind healthy, our body healthy? Okay, so the first is that we should adopt healthy habits. We should start adopting healthy lifestyle, So in this pandemic has taught us now we have many good things, like how to take healthy things and good stuffs, and a healthy lifestyle. And we also have come to know many things, good things about many things, like about the food stuffs, and how do we keep our body and mind strong and healthy. All these things has been taught in during this pandemic, and we are also right now following many good habits in order to protect our body from various diseases. Okay? So the first part is waking up early in the morning. Always brush your teeth twice. Okay. As the body's space is less, so I will just write in a short. just try to understand the things, okay? This is the easiest one, easiest chapter in this your EVS one, but this is the thing that we have to learn, okay? Always brush twice a day, that is early in the morning and night before you're going to sleep, okay? And what is the third good habits? There are many good habits that you already know, but you are refusing to follow it, right? We also know there are many good habits that we are knowing, no? We are knowing many good habits, but what happens is that we are like, it's okay, leave it, छोड़ दो, आज नहीं, कल कर लेगा. We are adopting this kind of habit, no? So this kind of habit make us like lazy. हम लोग को lazy बना देते हैं, ठीक है? And we are just like ignoring good things, no? So हम लोग वो सब अच्छे चीज़ को भूल जाते हैं, तो like we are getting lazy, no? And we are not even following the good things. So that is the thing, okay? We should not even adopt such a bad lifestyle. So the third should be bath regularly, okay? Bath regularly. You should bath regularly, no? आप every day नहाते हो कि नहीं? Okay, this is the summer time. अभी गर्मी का मौसम है. So what happened? You sweat a lot, no? Even when I talk, I always sweat, okay? So I have to bath twice a day. Sometimes I even bath thrice also, because I sweat a lot, no? It's like I don't feel comfortable. So many times what happens is that we should bath regularly, okay? Not even twice, but sometimes because it's a summer time, you can bath twice. Winter तो एक बार हो जाएगा ना, ठीक है? So this is the third healthy habits, okay? And can you tell me another one? Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food, okay? As I have already mentioned, in this pandemic, we have learned many good things about a healthy lifestyle, healthy food habits, everything. This pandemic has taught us so many things, no? How to do the things. We even, what happened is that, हम लोग कुछ food item के बारे search करते हैं. We are trying to search it in Google, YouTube, and all everything, no? Why? Because we want to stay healthy and fit. During this pandemic, everything has been changed, no? Even सब कुछ change हो गया life. एक businessman से लेकर एक like even a common man, right? So we should eat healthy food, and this healthy food includes so many healthy things, okay? And this healthy food keeps our mind and body strong and healthy, because whatever we are taking inside, it is reflecting in our body, outside also, okay? It is reflecting in our skin also. So we should always eat a healthy food to make our lifestyle healthy and strong, okay? And the last one, that is sleep early at night. What do you mean by sleep early at night? So I have seen most of the children, so the bad habit is like they will use the mobile phones and all during whole night, whole day, and like their lifestyle has completely changed, completely shattered. Like they are using mobiles for an hour without taking care of their eyes also, okay? And especially at night. Even I saw my brother also, like small, he's just 5 years and one is 8 years old. They are playing games on 24 hours. When it comes for a study hour, like they are refusing, like, oh, stomach pain, oh, headache and all. This kind of behavior they have, okay? So this should not be, and you should not follow this kind of attitude, this kind of behavior. So sleep early at night. You should always make a habit of sleeping early at night, because what happens is that our body needs at least 7 to 8 hours of sleeping time, okay? We need our body to get rest, proper rest, at least 8 hours. So what happens is that in that 8 hours, our mind and body, it's working smoothly, okay? and it also affect our health also if we are not sleeping in a proper time, and we should wake up early in the morning. Okay, that is a healthy habits that we must follow. Okay. Our next is that is a good posture. What do you mean by good posture? It is a position that we has to adopt a good position. Okay, whenever we are standing straight, suppose I am standing straight. Okay, my height is low, height is less, that is another part, but okay, I am just standing like this. Okay, so what we have to do, this stand straight, not bending like this. Okay, what happen is that bend jitna karega, our posture will get effect. Okay, we should stand straight, and whenever we are sitting in a chair also, okay, chair also, that we have to sit in a straight way by making that one, no, backbone ko aap straight karke, you should straight, you should sit straight. Okay, we must keep our back straight. ठीक है, straight, not only while sitting but also standing also. ठीक है, that is the correct posture, that is the correct position that one has to follow. That is a good posture. Okay. While walking also, we should remember, we should walk straight and not like bending this, no, we should not walk like this. Okay. While walking, we must walk straight and do not bend. Okay, bending is a very bad one. So what happened is that in my childhood time also, like whenever I was in hostel, what happened is that I used to sit like this, no, during study hour, even during like self-study hour, no, again like walking also, like my bending was like this one. So what happened is that back pain started, no, back pain started during just in early stage. Okay, I'm just so it was so young, I was so young. So what happened, my backbone started, still it is paining, okay, sometimes. So what happened is that we should always follow a good posture of standing, sitting, walking. Okay, these are some good posture that you need to follow, because later on what happened, many these backbone diseases and like back pain and all, no, this will come out. So that is not a good. Okay, or especially at a young age mein to like you cannot even imagine how painful it is. Okay, after old age means when you we will get old, that time to it is okay, pain hoga, like it's a bone ka pain, artistic and all, no, but right now it is not like our age is very less, so we must not adopt a bad posture. Okay, we should always use a good posture. Now the third one is, my dear, what is that? Good behavior. How many of you follow a good behavior? Good behavior, good attitude. Okay, the third one is good behavior. What are these good behaviors? Okay, so my dear, what happened is that whenever we are coming for school, no, हम लोग जब स्कूल में आते हैं तो we as a teacher, we want some respect from your side also, no. So I have seen some of the like, okay, I understand like it's a growing stage of yours, no, but still you should start adopting a good behavior. Okay, this good behavior will turn into a good human being. Okay. So what happened is that I've seen many students like okay, yeah, chilana halana this karna, like, but they are like ignoring. Teacher is there, the elders are there. There must be some respect, no? Respect karna hai, theek hai? You must respect your parents. You must respect your elders, teachers, seniors, even your like same age also, no? Like even your younger sister, brothers. You must respect. Okay. Good behavior. That is, respect your teachers, parents, elders. Okay, we must respect them, because what we said, if we respect them, they will respect us too. Is it so? Yes, it is. Okay, we must respect others so as to get the respect back. Okay. Learn to say sorry, thank you, please. Okay, learn to say sorry, learn to say thank you, learn to say please. What is this? Learn to say sorry. Sorry. Suppose you have done some mistake, unknowingly, knowingly, whatever, you must always say apologize, sorry to them. Okay? Sorry is a word that doesn't make someone small. Okay? आप छोटा नहीं हो जाते हो किसी को sorry बोल के. In fact, you are feeling more better. Okay, you are learning from your mistake by saying sorry. Okay, whenever you are doing some mistake, whenever you are like unknowingly, knowingly you are doing mistake, you must say sorry. Sorry ma'am, sorry papa, sorry mummy, sorry didi. Okay, sorry, you must follow this word sorry. You must learn a good behavior, good attitude. Always keep in mind like this good behavior, no? You should always follow. Okay. Again, thank you. When you are going to say thank you, when someone is gifting you or complimenting you, आपको कोई gift कर रहा है या फिर like someone is like आपकी बहुत तारीफ, no? You are saying no, आपको like compliments. Someone give you compliments. So what you will say? Okay, thank you. This and that. No, this is a very good behavior and good manners. Okay. And the third is please. When are you going to say please? Whenever you are asking something from someone. Suppose I want this pen from madam. So what I will say? Madam, can I please borrow your pen? Okay, this is the very good manners that you need to follow in your life. Okay, good healthy habits, good posture and good behavior. These are the things that we need to follow to keep our mind and body very healthy and strong. Even whenever you are following a good behavior, what happens is that you feel happy. You feel happy about yourself, right? आप बहुत खुश होते हो अंदर से, like yes, at least I have a good manners. I know how to talk with elders. I know how to behave with the elders, teachers, and everyone. ठीक है? Third one is never fight with elders. Never fight with elders. So, my dear children, this is the age of like we say no, age of stress and storm, especially with the child, teenage one. No? So what happened is, I have mentioned never fight with elders, but what have happened is with them is like they lose control. Okay, in most of the case, like they lose control, like they will fight, they will start arguing, even if it's their mistake or even if it's their they have not done any mistake. What they will do? They will fight. Even the small matters, even the छोटा से छोटे बात को लेके आप किसी के साथ झगड़ा कर लेंगे. Whether it is your elders, whether it is your like sisters, brothers, younger sister, your parents, teacher, they are what? They are fighting. So this behavior should not be followed. Okay, this is a very bad behavior. Even if it's sometimes what happen, कभी कभी like it happens, no, like किसी elders के साथ elders से mistake हो जाते हैं या फिर parents से mistake हो जाते हैं. So we should learn how to keep calm, our mind, our body, our soul. ठीक है, मतलब you should not lose your control. Like even if it's like the situation get very tempted one, no, आपको fight करने का मन करेगा, like you want to argue, you want to this, you want to throw something, you want to, just keep calm, okay? You keep your mind very calm, very quiet, and sit quietly and take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. That is the best way to avoid fighting and arguments. ठीक है? So this good behavior should always be followed in your life. You should always adopt a good behavior, how to respect your teachers, how to respect your elders, how to approach your younger friends, younger sister, brothers. So all these good behaviors will make you one day a good human being. Okay? So my dear students, today this chapter is completed, no? With our topic, what we have learned today, that is how to keep our healthy mind and body. Okay, that is our topic also, healthy mind and body. What were they? That is healthy habits. In healthy habits, what we have learned? Good food, good healthy lifestyle, right? You have to wake up early, you have to brush your teeth twice a day, you should bath regularly, you should eat healthy food, and you should sleep early at night. Okay, this comes under healthy habits. And the second one that we have learned, that is good posture. What is the posture? That is a position. Now I am standing in a straight position, no? That is a good posture, okay? I should stand straight, okay? I should stand straight, I should walk straight. Okay, that is a good posture. We should not bend like this, huh? Again, the third one, that is good behavior. How you will deal with your elders, how you will deal with your teachers, friends, relatives. This all comes under the good behavior. One must always follow a good behavior so that one day you will become a good human beings. Okay? And we should always remember that healthy mind and body keeps our body healthy and strong. Because if you have a good mind, if you have a positive mind, if you have a positive mindset, what happens? You automatically become a positive person, a very mindful, or we can say like a very good calm person. Okay, so a healthy mind and a healthy body will keep your life long. Okay, so let's discuss our exercise, my dear. Okay, there is one exercise, page number 24. Get, set, go. Okay, so we have to write T for true and F for false. Number 1, see, we should wake up late every morning. That is obviously false. We should not wake up late, no? Number 2, we should exercise regularly. Yes, that is the very good thing. We should exercise regularly to keep our body fit and strong. Is it? Yes, of course. We should keep our body very strong and fit in order to protect ourselves from various diseases. Okay. We should respect our elders. Okay, that is true. We should respect our elders, teachers, friends, parents. We should sit with our shoulders bent. No, that is wrong. So it is false. Okay. The 5th one, we should tease our friends. No, not at all. We should not tease our friends. Okay. Who knows? Our friends might be very sensitive. Some people are there, no, very sensitive. Even if we are teasing them, no, like थोड़ा मजाक उड़ा देते हैं, like okay, this. Like they feel very hard. Okay. वो लोग, क्योंकि we all are different. We don't know how the person will deal with some other stuff, no? कुछ और problem में they are dealing, but we are unable to understand what is their situation, and we started making fun, we started teasing others. किसी का मजाक उड़ाना, that is also not a good thing, no? ठीक है? Even if it's their physical appearance, or we can say color, whatever, no? Whatever will be the situation, we should not tease them. We should not make fun of anyone. ठीक है? So that is a false. Okay, we should tease our friends. That is false. We should not tease our friends. Now see the complete sentence. You have to complete the sentence. Okay, when someone gives you a gift on your birthday, you say thank you. Okay, you will write thank you. Number second, when you wake up in the morning, you wish for your parents good morning. Okay, you wish your teachers also, no? I've seen some of the students, they don't even wish teachers, no? So that is not a good thing. Okay, so but you have to wish always a good morning greeting to your teachers, elders, parents. When you want to borrow a pencil from your friend, you say please. Okay, you say no, please can I borrow this pen from you? Okay, you have to write please. Number 4, see, you dash at the door before entering a room. Before entering a room, what you should do? You have to knock at the door. Okay, you have to knock it. You have to knock it like this. Okay, you should not like directly go inside the room like this and all. That is a bad manner, no? And the last one, when your mother puts you to sleep, you wish her dash. So whenever you are going for a sleep, what you will wish her? What you will wish your teachers, your friends, your parents? That is good night. Okay, you have to write good night. So my dear children, tomorrow we shall start our new chapter. That is chapter number 6, clothes we wear. Okay, so I have completed this chapter. For this, do your exercise regularly whenever I am taking class and take notes of this. Okay, thank you.